Hey guys, it's Matt with Defender Bros, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Glock 43. What can you say about Glock other than they're reliable? They're not the best looking guns, but I still think they look pretty good. And of course, to a lot of people, it feels like if you've shot one Glock, you've shot them all. Now, the Glock 43, you do get that standard Glock reliability. I've put hundreds of rounds through this thing so far, everything from cheap steel case to some, I'm probably saying it wrong, but cellular and bellet rounds. It's never jammed on me once. It's subcompact and very, very easy to conceal. Um, I don't have the exact dimensions or the weight on it because I don't have calipers or a scale small enough to weigh it. This is a 9mm. It's got a 6-in-1 capacity, but you can also get an extended base plate for your magazines. I've got one on this one here that makes this a 8-round magazine. It comes with 2 magazines when you buy it. It comes with this one that's got a pinky extension, and then again, this extension didn't come with this magazine. It was just something I installed aftermarket. If you've got bigger hands, you definitely want to get one with an extension, because I mean, even with that pinky extension, I feel kind of like my fingers are going to slip off. But if I put this, fits perfectly. It's got I believe these are like the cheaper plastic sights that Glock has been putting on their guns. It's not bad. It's still, I'm still able to hit targets out to like 25 yards with a decent grouping with this. Am I saying I'm putting rounds one on top of the other? No, I'm not that good. But it's decent enough to where, it's probably just a little bit bigger than like a dinner plate or a pie pan size grouping. So I've seen these go for anywhere from $450 used to brand new. They're probably going to cost you about $550. Now, this was filmed at the time that the coronavirus is in the U.S. and people are still buying up guns left and right. So those prices might be a little bit inflated by now. I don't know if it's because the manufacturers are raising the cost to make more money, or if that's just the LGS is doing that. But still a pretty good gun. You might be able to find some of these as I know some stores do police trade-ins. You might be able to find one of these as like somebody's old backup gun, which that's basically what I used to carry this as. Just in a little flex conceal ankle holster, which we'll probably do a review on that thing soon, because it's an okay enough holster. I think it's kind of a piece of crap, but in my opinion, they're definitely good guns. It's a 9mm, which 9mm is not as weak as it used to be, not as underpowered as it used to be. It's actually quite a formidable round for defense. It's one of the most common rounds for self-defense. So if you've got the money and you like Glocks, you're looking for a new backup gun or something that's super concealable, I highly recommend the Glock 43. This has been Matt with Defender Bros. We'll see you in the next video.